Good day, viewers. Glad to see you come around again. It's a glorious day. It's beautiful, isn't it? Look at the sky. It's an excellent day to be at work, don't you think? No, not really. Anyway, it's a Wednesday, so welcome to the Wednesday edition of the Yellow Bus Guy Garage. And came back to work yesterday and walking to my bus and the door's open. So these doors don't really snap shut or anything. If it's really windy, it'll blow them open, but that wasn't the case. I come up here and I get up on my bus, and up on the dashboard are pieces of wire and electrical tape and metal shavings and all kinds of crap. I mean, it's all over the instrument, all over the dashboard, the radio here. And you know, while I was at lunch, the technician came in and installed that. They don't tell you they're coming. They don't make any effort at all to be neat about it. I mean, there were metal shavings all over here, all in my seat. I mean, it spent 5 minutes cleaning it up so I don't sit on a piece of metal. But anyway, yeah, they put that thing in, and it's a GPS receiver. So, you know, all the buses. Apparently, there's not room in the electrical compartment under the window. Under here is where they usually put them. So they're sticking them here. I don't know why there wouldn't be room, because every other CE I've seen is in there. So, who knows? But anyway, Big Brother is watching us. You guys be safe. Like, subscribe, and talk to you guys later. Have a great day.